Welcome back. I'm looking at rights and responsibilities as they relate to current legislations. Now remember, current legislations is the 18th edition of the IE regs. I will admit that some of this has been written prior in respect of the 17th edition, so be aware you need to check and to update yourself that you are compliant with the IE regs as of that relevant edition and date in time. Okay? So we're looking now for any amendments that have been made to the 17th edition, but bear in mind that we're now dealing with the 18th edition. So you must check your information and that you are compliant at all times. Again, you don't need me to do a lot of talking here. Okay? A lot of this is self-explanatory. Okay, I hope you found this useful. Have a good day. Bye-bye.